Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another little different pour in that. Well, it's the same a technique, but it's on some different, on a different piece of. Well, this is the actual lid to a jewellery box. So I'm going to pour on the lid, and then hopefully I'm going to resin it. So it's the lid for a jewellery box. So it isn't actually, I thought it was an MDF, but it's like a really thick cardboardy stuff. So I'm not sure how it will hold up to the acrylic paint being on it, but I guess I'll soon find out. So I'm giving that just a little quick coat over with my normal fluid acrylic, like acrylic with my pouring medium in, leaving that aside, and then I'm going to layer my paint on that wax-proof paper. I did have a different idea I was going about, and I decided to abandon it. So, long story. Anyway, so I'm going to do put the paint on just as I would for a normal dip. So I'm just layering all the colours, doing a wiggle, 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 and hope that I get something bright and uplifting for this particular pour using these leftover paints, and of course some that I already have mixed up, like that big tube there. So enjoy. So there you go, I've layered all those yummy colours, and now I'm going to plop my lid in. Yeah, I think I'm wiping my hands there, yeah, so I don't want all that paint on the inside from my fingers on the lid. So giving it a good old squidge there, but yeah, there's probably plenty of paint, so I definitely will be using that paint up on another dip. And also the paint usually dries lovely on the wax paper for you to use the wax paper as well in another, whether it's a piece of art or you cut it out, bits out of it to make cabochons in jewellery. Oh, look at that. Looky. Isn't the orange and the teal with purple is just the bee's knees? I love it. Love it, love it. So I definitely think with a coat of resin on that, that will look beaut super. So yes, I am absolutely giving it my balloon kisses. Why not? She says that's my signature move, and I enjoy doing it. Remember, your art, your rules, your way. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So I'm going to get on now and go straight into doing the next piece. So I've got I think that's 25 by 20 canvas. So not wanting to waste that paint that's already there on another dip, because so many times I get people, oh, you could have done so many more dips. Well, yeah, I probably do after I've finished the video. They're just not always on the video, and not always when I'm actually making a video. So, but yeah, I'm trying to do my best there with a what do you call it, squeegee bottle that's not playing nice. It must have some thickened paint in it. So I'll just continue on with these bits and bobs that I've got left over, and let's see how my next dip on that other canvas works out. But it is so much fun to do. So onwards and upwards. So here we go. Give it a good squidge. Pressing that canvas down and just making sure that you sort of just slide your hand in there and around so it gets the paint on all parts of that canvas. And you can definitely give it a really firm push down if the paint is the correct consistency, which it should be on the thicker side and not the thinner side. I found with dips work so much better. So yeah, I'm just repositioning my heart so I can pop that on. But yeah, as you've seen, I'll give it a dip and a twist, and oh boy, the camera's not picking it up too good there, but this is a beautiful piece. Would be so gorgeous again with a coat of resin, or even just a varnish coat, my wipe on method, which all the instructions, and if you're new to my channel, there's a description box below this video, and it'll give you links to making up your acrylic fluid for this kind of painting technique, and plus varnishing or resin. It's all there on my playlist on my channel. So yeah, super duper happy with them. So I think I'm just going to look what I do next. I use the paint on there to actually coat my edges. I usually either paint the edges after with a sponge brush, just go along, or I balloon kiss the very edge so it adds a really nice balloon kiss around the edge. So yes, there's lots more paint there I can work with. I can put some balloon kisses, as you see, on my wax paper, and can do whatever with them. But hope you enjoyed that, and I will be back shortly again, tomorrow, the next day, whenever. But look how lovely that turned out. It really is a beautiful piece. I'm so happy with the colours and really enjoyed how it turned out. So, and I'll let you see the lid to my jewellery box, but I haven't got around to doing any further things with my jewellery box or coating it yet. So I'll let you know when I do. So my lovelies, take care. Bye for now.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is the